Welcome back, everybody, to Ultimate CNFT. Mike, aka Mr. Ultimate, here with you today, and we're going to be talking specifically about wild ones and how to use their wild store, the best way to engage and to maximize. This is a tutorial video. It will be posted on my YouTube channel as well as in the actual Discord itself of the wild ones. I would like to take this time before we get into this information to congratulate the team, congratulate the community for the journey that they've been on and the success that they've had, successfully minted, and so much more to come. This is the kind of project you want to spend your time looking into and see how to maximize. Let's get into that information right now. All right, so let's jump into the wild store itself here, take a quick look around, and this is something they're constantly going to be updating and upgrading, and then we'll look at how you can earn that wild and how you can kind of streamline, if you're new to this project especially, how you can streamline the information you need to take advantage of what is being presented to you. So here we've got the wild store. You can come check it out. You can utilize all of the WLD that you have earned and all this good stuff. You can also view your inventory and all that good stuff. The directions are right here for you to do. Let's enter the store. It's very simple. You simply press and enter away and it shows you. So at the top of the list, we've got a Mallard order, and this is number 4691. This is a specific NFT item that you can purchase with 20,000 WLD tokens. And it goes on down the list. We got some Yummy Universe, some Brave Dogs. Shout out to Brave Dogs. Best minter in the space. Oh yeah, the cream has already risen to the top, in my opinion. We've got Her Monster, another great project. As a matter of fact, these guys did a one of one collaboration with them. It's a beautiful piece. I did just happen to win it, so maybe I'm a little bit biased, but maybe not, because we're talking about wild ones and their amazing art, collabing with someone like Her Monsters, another project with amazing art and all kinds of utility. We're talking about winning across the board here. Wild Ones is here to stay. Again, I'm so proud of the journey they've been on, but I get distracted. Let's continue on. We've got a mystery chest. You got a wild one you can win, some snacks, some society, some ADA. We got to get some risk up in there. I got to get some risk tokens, you guys. Let's win some risk tokens. We got some Conda. We've got some Cardano Suns whitelist, and on down, and you can see that again this is going to be something that's kind of rotating here. So that is the store itself. It is very simplified in its version right now. Let's go find out how to actually start stacking those wild tokens and be able to spend them in that store. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come down to the wild stores section. There it is right there, and you've got right underneath the actual store itself, how to earning guide. So let's jump in there and let's just take a little look around here. So the store includes a built-in token earning system that enables users to earn and spend virtual currency. Here are the many ways to earn wild. You have 7 messages per day that will bring you WLD, which you can use in these channels. They've got them all highlighted for you right here. Very streamlined. Just jump in there. We'll find out what those individual channels look like there. So you can also buy the actual roles within the Discord earn, and it looks like you get kind of a higher earning rate depending on the role that you have. So for instance, the Outlaw Gecko is 10 wild per message, and the Wild Monster, you can see there's a little bit different there. So it's got all the roles that you can be. The GC Whale, which I proudly am a GC Whale. I should probably start in there and start earning 75 wild per message, because I'm telling you, that stuff stacks up pretty quickly. So that's a great way to earn right there. It works in the major announcements and the minor announcements. Now you can react to the specific channel, which is great, and then it's got a reaction counter right there. So pretty nice earnings just for engaging in the community. This is great. I love the way this is structured. It obviously produces the community to want to engage in these kinds of things, and it really helps get the project seen and people's eyes on the project. So very, very great integration here. I love when projects do these kinds of things. It really ties the community together and gives people an opportunity to go shopping with their token. We're talking about utility from a token right out the gate. Let's go. Looks absolutely amazing. So here's a little bit more information that you can continue to read right here, and how to use the Twitter rewarder. And you can link your Twitter and all that good stuff. It's very, very easy, very, very streamlined. In fact, they've got a graphic right down here. We can upload this. You can go spend time reading this yourself, but it gives you all the information you know. It's got the roles, the messages, the react, how much you get, and all that good stuff. So you can also check your inventory by typing in /tag inventory and the messages left, which actually gets you caught up into where you are for the day. So if you're a daily engager in this, you're going to benefit the most. Let's go check out a little bit more information, and we'll get this video uploaded for the community. Streamline. Let's go. So if you jump right here into the WG showcase, that's the Wild Group showcase, it actually gives you an example of everything that's listed that we just looked over. So you can see there's a reaction counter on one of these, and this is the Wild Group. It just kind of lets you know just the rundown of exactly what it is that you can do within each individual one. So for those of you who are engaging in this and maximizing daily, this is where you really want to be. This is where you find out all the information. It's very easy, very community friendly and community engaging. So you can check out all of these right here. You can also go down to the Wild Guide, and it gives you a little bit more of a detailed some of the things we went over, but you can read these for yourself as well. So the Wild Group, read that information and find out the channel guide. They're really giving you plenty of opportunities to really know where everything's at. It's all highlighted. It's all right there. The information seems like a lot at first, but really it's actually very simple if you just spend a few minutes a day coming in here and engaging, and a few minutes just learning all of these things. Whether you read these yourself or whether you look at this video, this is simply a guide to point you in the right direction. And look, personally, I'm very, very high on this project. I've watched this team come full circle and really build something special that they've set out to build, and they're just getting started. There will be a lot of future updates right here on Ultimate CNFT concerning Wild Ones. I'm very excited to see what these guys are doing. This Wild Group guide, the graphics are simple and streamlined, and that's exactly what you want to see. Let's go out there, let's get it, and let's support the projects that we know are here building for the future. Ultimate CNFT approved. I'll see you on the next video.